Wait, what? It's here? I have to see this. It couldn't have arrived that fast. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's actually here. Oh, this is just amazing. Don't fall, camera. Let's get a thumbnail real quick. So we have the big cheese here to watch because he wanted to. So I'm gonna try to open this with scissors because you've been dying all day to know what it is. You can see that you're just like staring at it.
He wouldn't tell me. I was really mad.
It's kind of funny actually because it's just a Lego set, and you knew that. Try not to stab the box underneath this. This box is definitely going over with our other collection of boxes. You know what? It'd be a lot easier just to go like this. Why didn't I think of that before? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. No. Oh.
Wait.
Oh, okay.
Wait. So I'm gonna pick this up, slide the box out. Smooth. It's the assembly square. This is, look how thick this box is. Like, I've never seen, okay, I'm gonna go get my other modular building boxes. Just give me a sec.
Halftime show.
Yeah.
Anyone? No.
This is the one for the detective's office. Look, it's not as tall, and it's definitely not as thick. I've never in my life seen a Lego box this thick. You see why I said building this would take all afternoon?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe I actually have this stuff. It's like, I don't know, I've waited so long. It's been out for like 6 months, no, 7.5 months now. But it's bigger than the usual modular building, which is why the box is so big. You see, all over it says, 10th anniversary, 10th anniversary, 10th anniversary, 10th anniversary. You know, you can never get enough 10th anniversary stickers. Yeah, if you look at the back, I'm sure this is just the angle, but the detective's office looks so small. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take a time lapse of me building this. Let's just get this open, you know, just typical stuff to open boxes with, you know. This is how you use the hatchet, guys. Just, oh, it actually broke the tape by going like this. You know, the easier way to do this would just be to not go towards myself for one. And just, I could use a knife, you know, but who needs knives? Well, maybe me, but that's not important. I've heard, oh my gosh, there are a lot of bags. Look how packed full of bags this is.
I can see.
For those of you that can't see, this is literally filled to the brim with bags. This box is not oversized like most of them are. Oh, what? There's a box inside. What? What? You know, this one...
Can I use the knife or hatchet?
It's not doing anything.
It's not a good hatchet. You need, like,
let's get the bags out of here first. Look, see? There's more bags in here. Because you can never have enough bags. Are we supposed to mix these? I don't know. Okay, well... Too late.
Oh! Oh yeah! This isn't a good hatchet. So.
Don't try this at home.
Why not?
Time lapse. Commence. for the assembly square. I will have a review coming out sometime soon. I can't promise anything though because I've been pretty busy lately. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.